Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to enable dark mode on the Brave browser. Let's just jump straight into it. So what you want to do is go to the top right here. We have these three lines and down to settings. And over on the left here you have appearance. So you should click on that and then you have Brave colors. All you need to do is change this to dark and that's you done. I just want to note that there's also this theme here where you can, if you just scroll down, you also have a collection of dark and black themes in case you want different variations of your dark mode. And it's as simple as that. Thank you.